Hello everyone, I am Noor Zainab and in this video I am going to discuss some of the most amazing health benefits of bitter gourd juice. Bitter gourd is packed with plant-based insulin-like compounds which help to reduce blood sugar levels. For people with type 2 diabetes, drinking bitter gourd juice regularly may help control blood sugar levels. Bitter gourd is rich in vitamin C, fiber, and antioxidants that cleanse the liver, boost immunity, and support weight loss. Furthermore, it improves skin health. It also reduces bad cholesterol levels, supports heart health, and enhances digestion. Drinking bitter gourd juice daily on an empty stomach can reduce fasting blood sugar levels and helps to manage type 2 diabetes. It boosts insulin sensitivity and reduces insulin resistance. Bitter gourd is known to detoxify liver and purify the blood, giving glowing skin and better overall energy. Bitter gourd is very good for people with diabetes. It has a natural compound known as plant insulin that works like the insulin our body makes. This helps lower blood sugar levels and keeps them under control. Bitter gourd is full of fiber, so it also helps with weight loss. Losing weight makes diabetes easier to control. Bitter gourd is also amazing for your skin health. It makes your skin clear, fresh, and glowing. This is because it has vitamin C, antioxidants, and zinc. It also cleanses the blood and removes harmful toxins from the body. Furthermore, bitter gourd juice is very beneficial for weight loss. It is low in calories but full of fiber. It also helps stop fat from building up in the body and boosts your metabolism so your body burns fat faster. So bitter gourd is one of the best superfoods for managing diabetes naturally. It helps to control blood sugar levels, supports weight loss, cleans the blood, and improves overall health. If you found this video helpful, like, share, and subscribe to my channel and share it with someone who might need this information.